Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Which of the following critics introduced the concept of the anxiety of influence? A. Northrop Frye, B. Harold Bloom, C. Paul the Man, D. Stanley Fish. The right answer is option B. Harold Bloom. Bloom proposed the concept in 1973. It describes poetic struggle against predecessors. Influence becomes psychological rivalry. Next question. Which medieval work contains the character, Everyman? A. Piers Plowman, B. Everyman, C. The Castle of Perseverance, D. Mankind. The right answer is option B. Everyman. It is a morality play from the late 15th century. The protagonist represents humanity. The play teaches moral salvation. Next question. Which of the following works is not written by John Milton? A. Samson Agonists, B. Lycidas, C. The Temple, D. Paradise Regained. The right answer is option C. The Temple. The Temple was written by George Herbert. It is a devotional poetry collection. Milton wrote religious epics instead. Next question. Which movement emphasized art for art's sake? A. Realism, B. Naturalism, C. Aestheticism, D. Romanticism. The right answer is option C. Aestheticism. The movement rejected moral utilitarianism. Art was valued purely for beauty. It influenced late Victorian literature. Next question. Which play features the character Blanche Dubois? A. Long Day's Journey into Night, B. A Streetcar Named Desire, C. Cat on a Hot Tin Roof, D. The Glass Menagerie. The right answer is option B. A Streetcar Named Desire. It was written by Tennessee Williams. The play examines desire and illusion. Blanche symbolizes fragile aristocratic culture. Next question. Which of the following critics wrote The Mirror and the Lamp? A. M. H. Abrams, B. Northrop Frye, C. Raymond Williams, D. Terry Eagleton. The right answer is option A. M. H. Abrams. The book was published in 1953. It studies romantic literary theory. It contrasts mimetic and expressive models. Next question. Which romantic poet wrote Adonais? A. John Keats, B. Percy Bysshe Shelley, C. Lord Byron, D. William Wordsworth. The right answer is option B. Percy Bysshe Shelley. The poem was written in 1821. It is an elegy for John Keats. Shelley laments the death of the young poet. Next question. Which character appears in The Waste Land? A. Tiresias, B. Prufrock, C. Orlando, D. Septimus. The right answer is option A. Tiresias. The poem was written by T.S. Eliot. Tiresias acts as the central consciousness of the poem. He unifies the fragmented narrative. Next question. Which work was written by Jean-Paul Sartre? A. Nausea, B. The Stranger, C. The Myth of Sisyphus, D. The Plague. The right answer is option A. Nausea. It is an existential novel. The protagonist experiences alienation and absurdity. Next question. Which novel begins with the famous line, "It was the best of times, it was the worst of times"? A. Great Expectations, B. A Tale of Two Cities, C. David Copperfield, D. Bleak House. The right answer is option B. A Tale of Two Cities. The novel was written by Charles Dickens. It is set during the French Revolution. The opening line contrasts prosperity and suffering in society. Next question. Which play was written by Henrik Ibsen? A. A Doll's House, B. Miss Julie, C. The Cherry Orchard, D. Mother Courage. The right answer is option A. A Doll's House. The play was published in 1879. It questions gender roles and marriage. Nora's departure shocked 19th century audiences. Next question. Who wrote The Myth of Sisyphus? A. Albert Camus, B. Jean-Paul Sartre, C. Simone de Beauvoir, D. Martin Heidegger. The right answer is option A. Albert Camus. The essay was published in 1942. It explores the philosophy of absurdism. Camus argues that humans must create meaning despite absurd existence. Next question. Which novel features the character Okonkwo? A. Things Fall Apart, B. Arrow of God, C. No Longer at Ease, D. Petals of Blood. The right answer is option A. Things Fall Apart. The novel was written by Chinua Achebe. It depicts Igbo society before colonial rule. Okonkwo represents pride and tragic heroism. Next question. Who wrote of grammatology? A. Jacques Derrida, B. Roland Barthes, C. Jean Baudrillard, D. Michel Foucault. The right answer is option A. Jacques Derrida. The book was published in 1967. It laid the foundation of deconstruction. Derrida critiques Western metaphysics of presence. Next question. Who wrote The Structure of Scientific Revolutions? A. Thomas Kuhn, B. Karl Popper, C. Imre Lakatos, D. Paul Feyerabend. The right answer is option A. Thomas Kuhn. The book was published in 1962. It introduced the concept of paradigm shifts. The work influenced literary and cultural theory. Next question. Who wrote The Archaeology of Knowledge? A. Michel Foucault, B. Roland Barthes, C. Jacques Derrida, D. Jean Baudrillard. The right answer is option A. Michel Foucault. The book was published in 1969. Foucault examines the formation of knowledge systems. He introduces the concept of discourse analysis. Next question. Who wrote The Empire Writes Back? A. Bill Ashcroft, B. Edward Said, C. Frantz Fanon, D. Ngugi wa Thiong'o. The right answer is option A. Bill Ashcroft. The book was published in 1989. It was written with Gareth Griffiths and Helen Tiffin. It studies post-colonial literatures of former colonies. Next question. Who wrote The Well-Wrought Urn? A. Cleant Brooks, B. John Crowe Ransom, C. Alan Tate, D. William Empson. The right answer is option A. Cleant Brooks. The book was published in 1947. It analyzes paradox in poetry. It became a key text of new criticism.